Do-do-do-do. 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 Wow, I can't believe we're actually outside. Hey guys. Today I guess I'm the main character of this story today. And welcome to YouTube Vibes 24. Please subscribe below, add a notification, ring the bell, and you can even add a comment. Alright, subscribe Vibes. Here we go into the video. Yay! Sis, what if I told you stay in the main level where I can see you? Okay. That means right here with me and my friends, which is actually a terrifying idea. Don't embarrass me. Alright. Who's that little kid? Oh, this is my brother. Yeah, this is my brother. And I'm a sister, sadly. Oh, it's fine. I'm gonna go hang with Foxy for a few minutes, and then I'll come back. Foxy! Yeah? It's cool that you're here. No.